Hello there, welcome to your latest forecast for Scotland. It's been a very active day. We've seen heavy rain, heavy snow, strong winds, all thanks to Storm Bert, which is sat to the west of us at the moment and very slowly only pushing its way eastwards as we move through the rest of the weekend and into the beginning of next week. So further heavy rain and strong winds to come at times too. And it's also importing some mild air, so we'll see that snow starting to melt. So we could see some localised flooding. Met Office warnings out through the rest of Saturday into Sunday, as well as heavy bands of rain push its ways north and eastwards right through into the early hours. Some of this rain will be heavy at times. We'll have thick snow across the higher routes starting to melt. We could see some localised flooding too, and it stays windy as well. Gusts of 40, 50, locally 60 miles an hour, particularly around the coast, and then strengthening by the end of the night across the northwest. Mild air is starting to move in, so temperatures initially in low single figures, but by the end of the night reaching double figures, well above where they should be for this time of year during the day. We'll see temperatures by Sunday morning around 12 or 13 Celsius for some of us. Still colder over the higher ground. So a wet, unsettled start to Sunday morning. It does start to brighten up though. There will be some sunny spells that develop, and the winds will fall lighter for a time, particularly across central and southern areas. A few showers possible here. But as the centre of the storm starts to move ever closer, we'll see an increasing risk of showery rain pushing back in. The wind strengthen once more. We could see gusts of 60, 70 miles an hour across the coast of the Highlands and Islands, for example, even in land areas, gusting quite strong at times too. So there could be some disruption through the day. Driest further south and east here, temperatures coming down a bit as we move through the day, as temperatures reach around 11 or 12 Celsius. So a warm start and then just starting to feel a bit cooler by the end of Sunday. So an unsettled end to Sunday as that low pressure moves in. Outbreaks of heavy rain pushing its way eastward, strong winds continuing too, but they do start to ease a little into Monday. But it is generally an unsettled day as well, as low pressure continues just to push its way eastwards there across Orkney and Shetland. You can see the centre, colder air sweeping in, so those showery rain starting to turn back to sleet and snow, particularly over the higher ground. The wind's turning to a northwesterly direction, still on the strong side. Some local disruption possible, and feeling colder as a result. Temperatures around single figures, 8 or 9 Celsius at the very best. So there's a lot going on with the weather through the weekend. We've got Storm Bert bringing some strong winds, some heavy rain, and that melting snow as well. So it is worth staying up to date with our warnings on our website. See you again soon.